In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to share games on Steam. Steam offers a feature called Family Sharing, which allows users to share their game libraries with friends and family. This feature enables you to access each other's games on different computers, and here's how to share games on Steam. 1. Ensure that the Steam Guard is enabled on both of your account and the account you want to share games with. This is a security measure required for family sharing. Both accounts need to log into your friend's computer. Make sure you're signed in with the Steam account of yours. In Steam, navigate to Steam in the top left corner and then click Settings. Within Settings, click on the Family tab. Look for the option labeled Authorize Library Sharing on this device and toggle it on. A list of eligible accounts will appear. Find your friend's username and click on the corresponding Share toggle next to it. Once the Share toggle is activated, your friend will have access to your game library on their computer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.